This question on substituting the values of the unknown, okay, I've seen so many students make careless mistake. Okay, hopefully after this video, when you watch this video, you don't make the mistake anymore. Find the value of v when r equals to 7. It's important that when you put values into the bracket, into the algebra, always have the bracket. So v is equals to 4 over 3. Okay, in this case, please take pi as equals to 22 over 7. I think the question says that. Alright, times pi, which is 22 over 7. When you put 7 into your cube, always do this step. Okay, then we will have 4 over 3 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 343. Okay, you may use your calculator or up to you. So this is 1, this is 49. Okay, yes, alright, and then we can just calculate 4 times 22 times 49 over 3. Okay, and you will get a fraction. I'll leave it in mixed number. Okay, and then because it's volume, so let's put the units. Okay, so it's important to put your values into the bracket. So now it gets more complicated for part 2, but part 2, don't worry, just put in the value. So v is 113 and 1 over 7 is equals to 4 over 3, pi is 22 over 7, and then we have the r cube over here. Okay, just think of them as one whole unit that sticks together. So you want to remove this red one, this is multiply, so when you want to bring it over, it becomes divide. So I always tell my students, do not anyhow move the algebra until maybe you will get careless. Okay, 4 over 3 multiplied by 22 over 7. Yeah. So at this point of time, you can use your calculator as well. Okay, to find out what is this. So equals to r cube. Okay, divide by 4 over 3, then divide by, and then 22 over 7. Okay, 27. Okay, so this is called mirror image. Now we always put the, when you have the algebra here on the right side and the number on the left side, this is called mirror image. You can write it as this. Okay, and then r will be equals to remove this cube, we cube root both sides. Okay, so this will mean cube root of 27, and that will be equals to 3 cm. Okay, so about this cube, so at first you have r cube is equals to 27, we cube root and cube root. When I cube root and I cube, that's where the cube disappears, and that's why the right side we have cube root. Okay, so the thing about equation is you are doing the same thing to the left side and to the right side.